Hello and welcome. My name is Tamara, and I'm the head tutor at Education Worldwide, an international online school recognized worldwide for delivering personalized and student-centered education. Our mission is simple: to nurture curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking, all supported by a flexible and innovative digital learning experience. We bring together students from across the globe, creating not just a multicultural environment, but a real sense of community that supports and inspires. What sets us apart is the freedom we give our students to learn anytime, from anywhere. Early riser or night owl, students can learn at their own pace and schedule. This flexibility keeps them motivated, gives them full control of their learning journey. But they're never alone. Each student is assigned a dedicated tutor upon enrollment, someone who monitors their progress, provides support when needed, and keeps the parents informed every step of the way. Our curriculum follows international standards and is taught entirely in English. Students study core subjects like English, math, science, and social studies. In addition to these core courses, they can choose from more than 100 electives, ranging from art and business to IT, music, and foreign languages, giving them the opportunity to pursue their unique interests and broaden their horizons. Throughout their studies, students engage in hands-on projects that promote innovation, analytical thinking, and effective problem-solving. They also acquire valuable life skills, including communication, teamwork, and time management. Skills that equip them for success beyond the classroom, whether in higher education, future careers, or everyday challenges. This diverse selection empowers each learner to design a customized educational journey aligned with their passions and long-term aspirations. To meet different learning styles and levels of support, we offer 3 packages, each one designed to fit a different type of student and family. Whether your child is highly independent or needs more structured guidance, we have an option that fits. But more on that in the next video, where I'll provide more information about our packages and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your child. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.